Hello everyone and welcome to this video guys. This is Mr. Naik, your HR insider. In this video, I'll tell you A to Z how to make a proper resume for Google Apprenticeship Program 2026. Because do have the experience of making resume, I'm working as a HR, and I will tell you A to Z how to filter it out from ATS, how to filter it out keywords, how to match the JD as well as your resume. Everything I'll be showing in this video because last year I had got an invite from Google because my resume was ATS friendly and it matched the JD 100%. The first thing what you have to do is go to Google because this is a Google apprenticeship program and it's open in Google. Make sure that you use Google products only because this is just an add-on and makes a difference. So what you do, you go to Google and search for Google Docs. So here and you open the Google Docs. I have already opened it over here and you can see over here the Google Docs is open. Okay, so this is our page. Okay, it's a blank page. Just use a blank page in Google Docs. And what you are supposed to do is first, what you're supposed to do is set up a page before touching anything over here. Go to File and click on Page Setup. So here and here, don't touch anything. Just click on this margin and make this 0.12. Then bottom you have to make 0.73 and then left you have to make 0.1 and then right you have to make 0.13 and just click on OK. Guys, why I have done this? Because your resume should fit in one page. That is more important. Otherwise, what happens is, say this is a case, it goes down and it looks very weird. Okay. Okay, once the page setup is done, now what you are supposed to do is insert a table in this resume page. I'll tell you how. Click on insert, click on table, and just click on this boxes and insert it. Okay, and just bring this upside. You can see that the table is inserted in the page. So what you are supposed to do now is just move this table little down till here. Okay, and now just drag the table till down. So now you must be wondering like, why did I insert the table in the resume? It looks so weird, but don't worry guys, by end of the video, you will be having your resume like this. Okay, don't worry, this is a 100% ATS filter, GD match, and you will get a test link also. Just give me some time, let me explain it to you. Okay, then what I do is I go on, click onto the table and just change the color over here. I'll move it to white. Also, I'll make it white. Okay. Bang, this is how it looks, but you do have a table in your resume. But anyways, to put words in this resume, I need this margin, guys. That's why I'll bring back this lines. Okay, later I'll remove it. Okay, now first thing what I do is I start writing my resume. Okay, so first thing what I do is I write my name over here because name is very important, guys. So name should be your heading. So let me write my name. Naik is my name. I'll bring this in the middle. I'll increase the font size a bit. Yeah, I'll remove the spacing, what we have. So to remove the spacing, you just click it over here and just click on the single and the space will be removed. Okay, so this is your name over here. So what you do, for example, if your name is, for example, Riya Kapoor, so then you tend to write, I'll write my own, yeah, Akash Naik. Okay, that's how you write your name. And just make sure that what font size you're using, which type of font you're using, that's very important. Okay, so I'll be using over Arial. So see, everything is important. This is the spacing. Okay, this is done. I'll keep this as 15. Okay, my name, first name, I kept it as a 15. Then what you do is just click enter. Okay, it's okay. Don't worry if the table is gone away. Now, what you're supposed to write is your email ID over here. So I'll write my email ID, for example, akash.nik@gmail.com. Okay, and then you add this. How we do is click on shift, then above enter, there is one key. Okay, once you press that, then you'll get it over here. Okay, then write your contact number. 995566448844. Is it 10 number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, correct. And then again, you do that. And then here you put your LinkedIn account. Okay, this is very much important, guys. Put your LinkedIn account and always make sure that you put your LinkedIn account in a hyperlink. So what you're supposed to do is go to your LinkedIn account over here and just copy this format, public profile URL, and then you click on this, just drag it and insert link and paste the link and click on apply. Boom, your LinkedIn account is here. So what happens is when the resume is gone to any of the company, for example, Google, by just clicking it over here, they can directly redirect into your LinkedIn account. Also make sure guys that you use a single color. Okay, here I was able to see blue. I just made it black. What you can do is just click it over here and just make sure the text color is black. Okay, I just wanted to show you the hyperlink, how it works. Okay, for example, now what happens is when I click over here on LinkedIn, see directly my LinkedIn account is shown over here. Okay, that's very easy guys for any of the HR, and we usually do this because me being in HR, we do a lot of times to look into the candidate LinkedIn account, how he is, where he has worked, what are the skill sets and everything. So it's very important. Okay, now the thing is, it's very important. Okay, so you have kept your name font size is 15. So let me reduce this font size. Okay, let it make me very singular. Let me make it 10. Yeah, 10 will be a little small. Let me make it 12. That should be okay. Yeah, cool. So the first part of your resume is done, guys. Now let's hop over to education, project, skill set, what all coursework you've done. Also, guys, if you're facing any problem, for example, right, whenever I'm doing any input or text over here, your table might go down, okay, and might go down. It becomes difficult for you to put up a table again on the page. Just what you can do is go to File and click on Page Setup and just match the top one bottom. Okay, top is also 0.12 and bottom is also 0.12. Okay, and that should be sorted. Okay, so now, okay, let me hop over to the main thing, guys, that is adding your education and other things. First thing, let me add your education. Okay, first we'll start it from here. EDUCACETION, education. Okay, so what you do is always make sure that you keep font size, everything very accurately, guys. Okay, so education font is Arial is 12, and okay, here we have kept font as 15, then here we move to 12. So let's keep this also 12. Okay, let's make it a little bold, education, and let me make it bold. Okay, and now just click on Shift Enter, and now you write your university name. That is MT University. University, don't keep this bold. Okay, no need to keep this bold. Then click another enter and write what you have done. MBA in HR and analytics. When you're done, 205. Okay, this is how you write your education. Okay, so first education is done, guys. Again, why I didn't write my percentage, why I didn't write other things, because I'm still pursuing my MBA, guys. I'm still doing it. Okay, now let's move into your bachelor's degree. Write your bachelor's degree. Again, you click on enter. Before that, look into the font, guys. Okay, so here you can see, let's make this font as 10. Okay, that should be, and then click on enter. And just make sure the spacing is correct. Okay, these things are done. Now just move to your bachelor's degree. So what you write is you write your university name, that is PES University, and then click on enter. Then write what exactly you're done. Sorry, my bad. Okay, now you write exactly what you're done. I have done Bachelor's of Business Management. So you write Bachelor's of Business Management and again click on enter. Again, because I completed my degree, so it becomes very important, guys. Okay, to write this thing. GARD. I'll explain you what exactly it means. Okay, graduated means graduated in May 2022 to 122. Then you put this and then you write your percentage in short form, that is 93.33 percentage. Okay, this is how you write it. And again, you must be seeing how did I put the spacing over here. What you do is go over here and just click 1.5. Okay, and it will put clear spacing. Okay, and also what I would suggest you is your university name should be in bold. Okay, here also let me make it a little bold. Yeah, this looks more clear and more eye appealing. Same way, I'll put my 11th and 12th and my school education over here, guys. Okay, so now you can see that I have added my college, that is intermediate, as well as school over here. Just let me align it properly over here like this. Little bit of over here. So now you can see that education thing looks very clear and crisp. Okay, so once you're done with your education thing, now let me add the skills, which is very much important, guys. You just make it capital and just make it skills and make it bold. And always make sure that what was this font line, headline, the same font size should be over here, guys. Just make it 12, we'll make it 12 and then mention your skills. Okay. What are the top 5 skills needed for data analytics? I'm just taking an example and making this resume for data analytics, but also you can use this resume format for other job or any other job, guys. Okay. So let me add the skills. The first skill is communication. Communication, then SQL, then Python, sorry, Python, easy decision making and data management. Yeah, just let me work on a little bit of font over here. The font size over here 9. So let's make it 9. This looks more clear. Let me add the bullet points also over here. So here you can see that I have added my skills with the bullet points, and you can see it looks very crisp and clear, guys. Okay, so now let me move to my interests, what all achievements I have done, everything, and what all languages I know I'll add over here. So guys, I quickly added the languages, what I know, the interest, what I have, and the achievements, what I got. Okay. For example, if you're pure fresher, then at least anything, any achievements, what you've done in the project or something, those achievements you can add over here. Or if you're a topper or a ranker in a college, you can add over here like me, right? Third rank in college graduation. Okay. And these are languages, what I know. Apart from that, these are few of my interests: digital marketing, teaching, I love teaching to people, geopolitics, and bit about stock market. Okay. So now 50% of our resume is done, guys. Now let's go to the another 50%. That is one of the most important thing. Okay. Okay, let me go to the second part of a resume. Okay, so here what you're supposed to mention it. For example, if you have experience, you can mention experience. If you have worked on project, if you're very fresher, then go start with the project work. And if you have an internship, anything, you can go ahead and mention as experience. Okay, in this part, I'll be mentioning about my experience, about my projects, about all coursework what I done, which are related to my experience as well as my project. Okay, so let's get started for project first, because this is for fresher. I'll do as for fresher only. Okay, so let me mention my project. Okay, first projects. Okay, let me make it a little bold over here. Just make it bold. Keep the same size. What we have 12. Okay, here also you put it as 12. Okay, and now I'll do a little bit of spacing over here because this side I need more space. Okay, so let me take it over this side. Okay, so now one of the important thing what you include in the project. Okay, guys, for data analytics, I have done this project. Okay, even you can do this project. And previous video I had told there is a guy called on YouTube called Rishabh Mishra. He has good videos of data analytics project, guys. Go to his YouTube channel, just search for the project and just make best two project, guys, and just put it on your resume. Okay, these are top best two projects which I have made, that is market analysis and business insights. Then I have made CS forecasting and predictive analytics project, guys. Okay, so again, I'll not tell you how to do it, what to do, because this thing I have already discussed in the my previous YouTube video channel. Okay, if you want, go ahead and watch that video. It's very important, guys, before hopping over to this video. Okay, but anyways, I'll quickly brief you how you're supposed to do, how you're supposed to get the thing. First thing, do the project. Okay, next thing what you have to do is go to the Google and search for the GD over here. Okay, take this GD, copy on the chat GPT, tell the chat GPT, okay, this is my project what I have done, and this is the Google Data Analytics JD. Okay, give me a bullet pointers which are related to the JD and which can give me a job. Okay, all these things I already discussed in the previous video, guys. You can go and check out. Okay, quickly coming back to here for the resume, what I do is I go over here and take out my project roles and responsibility and just copy it over there. Okay, and just let me do the alignment. The size what I kept is 10. Oh, this is 10. Yeah, this is 10. And just let me make few of the changes. I thought what is bold. This looks more clear, right? Okay, so this is my roles and responsibility of my project. Okay, yeah, this looks very clear. Conducted comprehensive market analysis using Google Sheet, because Google job description it is mentioned as to use Google Sheets only. Okay, you should be familiar with Google Sheets and visualization tools, uncovering key trends and customer behavior. And these are the top 5 roles or responsibility of my first project. Okay, now let me copy my second project. This is over here. Let me copy my second project. Yeah, bit of spacing here in the. Yeah, this looks more clear. A little bit of spacing, right? Okay, this is my second project, the sales forecasting and predictive analyze project. Again, look into the size. Okay, it's 10. Great, clear. Okay, develop a sales forecasting model. Again, I don't want to make it this bold. Let me remove the boldness. Yeah, this looks more clear and aligned project. Okay, so my 2 top projects are done over here, guys. Now let me hop over to the coursework. Okay, coursework, again, I have mentioned it over here. These are very easy coursework which I already completed for Google Data Analytics Apprenticeship Program. This is very important, guys, to complete this coursework. That is Udemy, Microsoft Excel, or Google Sheet. Both are same. The process is anyway same. Okay, you should be familiar with this because this is very much important for data analytics. In Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate, here you clear everything. You learn about everything, guys, and it's very, very important. Please go through this course, guys. It's on Coursera, okay? And then I have completed the course of Udemy, that is Power BI also, okay? So what I do is I copy this and just paste it over in my resume. Okay, and I make sure that I check the size. Okay, size is correct. That's 10. And this is the. Let's make sure that the heading should be in bold line. Okay, that's correct. Correct. Okay. So you must be thinking, how did you write so descriptive about your coursework? Okay. What you do is, for example, I have done any course in Udemy. I write the course title, then I write a short description. Okay. Completed Microsoft Excel course, mastering data analytics and advanced feature, including pivot tables and posting spreadsheet and management skills. Okay. If you're not that good in English, go and chat GPT it. Okay. Just tell chat GPT that this is the course, what I have done. Can you please give me a 1-line description, and chat GPT will help you out, guys. Don't worry. Okay. So finally, our resume is done, guys. This is the resume and we're completely done. It's 100% complete, guys. So now what I'll do is I'll do a small magic over here is, again, still the table looks a little weird, right? So I'll remove these things, these lines from the resume. Just click over here, white, then click on this line and click white. Then again, click on this line and click white. Boom, our resume looks so good. And from bottom also remove it. Okay, and we are done with your resume, guys. This is 100% Google Data Analytics resume, which matches the Google Data Apprenticeship Program, guys. It's very clear, crisp, what all things are written, and it's in one page, guys. You're mentioning everything, and it's very crisp and clear. So now, what you're supposed to do is download this resume in PDF format, and there will be one issue, guys. When you download it, it will automatically pick up 2 pages, okay? But don't need to worry. I'll help you out. Just download this page. I download it in the PDF format, and then you go to PDF splitter, and this is the famous one, split allow PDF, and then select file, go to your downloads and click over here and open it, and then just reduce it to 1 page and click on split and download, and you can see that our resume is ready. But before that, guys, always make sure that you rename your resume properly. Okay, saying that Akash 9 resume. Okay, it's very important. Yeah, and open the resume. Boom. This is a clear, crisp resume, guys, which you will be sharing to the Google Data Analytics, and you'll be applying it. It's okay. It's very clear, very clearly projects are mentioned, very clearly skills are mentioned, which are required about your education, about everything. Again, guys, if you have percentage below 70, I would suggest you not to mention your percentage in your resume. Okay, it gives a bad impression. Okay. So that's it from my side, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you need any help, any assistance, then please feel free to reach out to me on Instagram. Just ping me on Instagram and I'm ready to help you out, guys. And if you need a one-on-one call with me, I'll set up a Zoom call with you guys. Also, guys, the last day to apply for Google Data Analytics Apprenticeship Program is 14th September 2025. Please go ahead and start applying. And a little bit about me, I'm HR by the profession. It's been a decade of years of experience. You can check it out on my LinkedIn and also message me on LinkedIn. Also, if you need any help, any suggestion, if you need any referral, anything, please feel free to reach out to me. My mission is to be guys the best of HR, which I can help you out. I also want to put industry realities on the upcoming videos and the real truth, how you should, cope up with corporate words. What are things which you have to take into consideration? How to cope up? How to get those 30 LPA, 40 LPA jobs? What are the things? Why HR doesn't realizes that he doesn't reach out to you? There are a lot of other things which we can do it majorly, and let's stop over here. Thank you so much, guys.